Welcome students. Previous video we discussed the ratio. I told you how to express as a ratio. Three ways we can express. I told you some example. 5:7, 5:7, 5/7. These three ways we can express as a ratio. We talk about some word problems also, how to solve in the ratio word problems. I hope you understand that. So today we will discuss the new topic, comparison of ratio. Suppose they will give you two ratio, how to compare which is greater. Okay. So I am going to tell you a simple method. In your textbook they are giving as per the textbook they are solved by finding a highest common factor. You have to find out the highest common factor. You have to then multiply that. Then only we can find out which is greater. But I will tell you the simple method. Okay. So first write the given ratio. How to make this ratio? 2:3 or 3:4. Then which is the greater ratio? So first you write the ratio 2:3 and 3:4. Okay. Not equal or. Okay. First you have to multiply the, you know very well, the first ratio. This is the first ratio, first and second term. This is the second ratio, first and second term. Now listen carefully. First ratio, first and second term. Second ratio, first and second term. Previous video I told you, we can say 2/3. We call first term, we call second term. The name of the two is first and the name of the three is second term. So now we have to multiply the first ratio of first term into second term of second ratio of second term. Means 2 into 4. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay. How to compare the given ratio? So I told you, you have to multiply the this is the first ratio, this is the second ratio. You have to multiply the first ratio of first term into second ratio of second term. Means 2 into 4. Okay, 2 4s are 8. Now second one, we have to multiply the first ratio of second term, the second ratio of first term, like this. You have to multiply 3 3s are 9. If you compare then the product of two ratio, okay, the first term and second term, the product of two ratio, 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9. If you compare these two product, which is the greater product? This is the greater product. So this product is obtained for second ratio of first ratio of second number. Means first ratio of second number, second term. First ratio of second term. So if this if second number, if the product is, means the second term, if the second term, first ratio second term product is high, greater, means the second ratio is greater. Means compare then 2:3, 3:4 is the big, means this is the greater ratio. Suppose if the product is, if would have greater product of this, if would have greater product of first term, the first ratio will be greater. Listen carefully. See, to first we have to multiply the first ratio of first term and second ratio of second term. Then product is 8. Then second one, the first ratio of second term, the second ratio of first term. Multiply 3 3s are 9. You have to compare the product of two obtained product. 8 9. 9 is the greater. So 9 is obtained of first ratio of second term and second ratio of first term. So if it is first term of second ratio, second term, first ratio of second term, if it is greater means the second ratio is greater. Suppose if it is if it is greater than this, if it is greater means the first ratio is greater. For your understanding purpose, let me discuss another example. Okay, now 2:3 less than 3:4 is the greater. This is the greater ratio. Let me solve another example, then you can understand. Example 2, which is greater, 5:12 or 3:8. Second example, then you can understand. 5:12 or 3:8, which is the greater ratio. So I told you, write the given ratio as it is, 3:8. So I told you, second step, you have to multiply the first ratio of first term into second ratio of second term. So this to this. So I will write here, this is the first ratio of first term, this is the second ratio of second term. Okay, so 5 into 8 is equal to 5 8s are 40. Okay, third step, you have to multiply the first ratio of second term multiplied by second ratio of first term, like this. So 12 3s are 36. Okay, now you have to compare the product of obtained, multiplication of product, means 5 8s are 40, 12 3s are 36. If you see, compare these two product, the 40 is the greater product. So if it is first product is greater means the first ratio is big. Suppose if second product is greater means the second ratio is greater. So as per this, so 5:12 greater than 3:8. So 5:12 is the greater ratio. So this is the way we can compare the given ratio. Okay students, for your understanding purpose, comparison of ratio. Here example 3, I'm going to compare the given ratio which is greater. I'm going to find out which is greater ratio. So I told you the given ratio is 6:4 or 4:5. We want to find out which ratio is greater. So as per that, I told you we have to multiply the first ratio of first term into second ratio of second term. So you have to multiply this to this, means 6 into 5 is equal to 6 5s are 30. Okay, then second one, first ratio of second term, then second ratio of first term, like this. So 4 4s are 16. If you compare this product obtained from this after the multiplication, 30 is the higher greater number. So if first product is greater means the first ratio is greater, means 6:4 greater than 4:5. So this is the answer.